Hey, what's up guys, it's KiNO. It's been a while. I am prepping my STi for a shotgun. Sick. So for those who don't really know what shotgun is, it's like a safety registration in Japan. If you want to drive it legally, you need shotgun. So yeah, I am trying to raise the right height, change the exhaust. I will be replacing the headlights and the tail lights later on. But yeah, I'm getting help from a Subi friend, Morty. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, he is the owner of that Subi down there. He owns the Bug Eye with a charge speed, and he also has a M Sport body kit, like a white body kit in the rear, like mine. So yeah, and he's got the same wheels from Ray's, which is super sick. Super underrated, but yeah, he's still working on this project. It's gonna be hella nice when it's complete. Yeah, this is also owned by him, so it's his own personal garage. It's not his job, I guess, but he got this place just for hobby. So check this out. Yeah, hella nice. So they do parties down here. That's storage up there. And he's still working on the garage, but yeah, it's gonna be hella nice. Probably gonna have lifts too, yeah? Let me know what you guys think on the comments down below. All right, so we lifted the car. We are trying to take the exhaust off right now. We're having a hard time because it's a custom made exhaust with Ready Trust titanium exhaust. I custom made the dual exhaust, and because of the rubber piece that's holding the exhaust, it's not like there's two of them. So even one of them, it's not easy to take off, but there's two of them and we don't have a specific tool to take them off. So we're gonna do it by hand. We're gonna work something out, but yeah, it's taking some time. Meanwhile, let me show you what I got from DnD. So yeah, they sent me a honeycomb carbon fiber steering wheel. So I don't know if you guys remember, a few years back, they sent me a purple carbon fiber steering wheel. Now it's honeycomb, so that it matches all the carbon fiber parts. Sorry, my car is a mess right now. I just got my parking lot, but yeah, it's gonna match all these carbon fiber interior parts. So yeah, go check them out. Bring the funk back. If they are sold out, just keep sending them DMs. Ask them to bring it back, because they might, you know. So yeah, they actually look at all the DMs and emails. So yeah, hit them up. And yeah, they also sent me one of these, and it comes with all the harness required. And the best part, I'm preparing my car for shotgun right now, safety check. And in Japan, you need this horn button, like the logo or the icon right there to pass the test. And it's right there, so I could swap it right now and I would have no issue passing the shotgun. Thanks, DnD. All right, guys, so let's hope there is no leak on the exhaust. Otherwise, I would have to get a new gasket. Alright, so the exhaust is replaced. It's HKS. And this one is super quiet, so I could definitely pass the shotgun. Alright, now let's swap the steering wheel. Oh yeah, by the way, I took off the splitters and all that, just in case, because a lot of places they don't let me pass a shotgun with it. So yeah, according to law, these shouldn't really affect, but they just give us a hard time, and if they say they won't pass it, then we have to take it off, or we have to take it to another place. So yeah, that's too much work. So yeah, all I gotta do now is swap the steering wheel to DnD. Bro, that's gonna be hella nice. The carbon fiber matches perfect with RPG. Oh, by the way, I was supposed to raise the height, but the thing is, I have to get new tires to pass the shotgun. So, and new alignment. So I'm gonna have the shop do it. Yo, check this out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Several years back, their horn buttons, it used to be loose, but now it's snug, so it doesn't move. Looks perfect. It matches perfectly with the honeycomb, like all the other honeycombs. So even on the door and everything. Bro, this is perfect. Thank you so much, DnD. Sick. So I had to take the banner off from the front windshield, and yeah, hopefully after I replace the tires, raise the height, and swap the lights, the headlights and the tail lights, I should be able to pass the shotgun. The worst part is switching everything back so that it's illegal again. But yeah, that's good for now. It's been almost a year since I last vlogged, but yeah, let me know what you guys think about the steering wheel. Personally, I love it. But yeah, so here is his Subi again, the bug eye. Personally, with the bug eye, that's my favorite front bumper charge speed, and he has the Voltex, which is the same as mine. And I'm not too sure, I think that's charge speed front fender, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, that's M Sport in the rear with a dual exhaust. So with his dual exhaust, I think it's like a stock Legacy exhaust, if I'm not mistaken. And he's got the Ings wing. And this is what I want right now. Bro, RPG, please. But yeah, carbon fiber roof, not wrapped, actual carbon fiber. このフェンダーはどこのでしたっけ？
このフェンダーは、チャージですね。
チャージスピーダー、ワイドフェンダー。
チャージ、
ボルテックス。いいですね。
で、ドゥーラック。
あ、ドゥーラックの、あ、ドゥーラックなんですね、トラック。ドゥーラック結構強度いいですからね。
そうです、そうです、そうです。で、バーギーです。
いいですね。I really like the line this fender has. Because usually it's a bit lower, yeah? But this one, it's super high to the point where it kind of looks like one of those rally machines. So like their fenders are made so that the line goes up, like up to here. Usually it's like down here, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, this one's sick. Nice-oo.
Nice-oo.
That is sick, bro. Let me know what you guys think on the comments down below. Alright, so I'm going to close out the vlog here today. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want more videos, more frequent videos, make sure to hit that like button and to share the video. Thanks so much. See you on the next vlog. Peace.